This is Joe at Allen Ed's Autosound again. We're in the process of installing a subwoofer kit for a client. So on the driver's side kick panel, if it is a first gen Tesla, right here you'll see a purple connector or a gray connector with purple and white wires in it. The white pair is going to be your front left door signal, and that is where we're grabbing our positive and negative audio leads. So white is positive, white with black is negative, and there even happens to be an ignition lead down here that I just discovered searching the forums. Yellow with a purple stripe and this bottom gray connector is an ignition source, which is pretty quick, so there's no delay or anything to it. Once again, this is Joe. If you need help doing a sub install, we could definitely offer that here in store. Otherwise, feel free to use this information at your discretion. I always recommend testing all wires and all signals with a voltmeter or a test speaker, something of the sort, but be wise, guys.